Hello dears, hope finding you very well. Welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about the relay, not as a function, but how we are going to make connectors to this relay terminals. So as you see, this relay has many terminals bottom here with usually project boards like this has small holes. These holes very small. It is used to fix solder small components like capacitors, resistors, some semiconductors and others. But a component like relay, which has a thick or a wide terminal, is difficult to be fit in the board like this. So you need to fix it outside and then by soldering these pins to the board itself. So, and in future, if you are going to remove, you have to desolder all these pins. So I'm going to show you a better way for doing that. We'll use this type of connector. It's available in any electrical shop. Okay, and we are going to attach it to the relay terminal, so you can, whenever you want to connect the relay to any board, to any system, you need to screw or unscrew the wires using screwdriver. So no solder, more solder and soldering iron will be required. Okay, let us start. So we will going to cut this like this. Okay, so this is the one node, we can say it. So we remove the insulation from one side. It is difficult and we have to be careful not to scratch our fingers. Okay, like this. Okay, better to remove the screw, one side screw here, then like this. Here we go. We have removed the insulation of one side. Okay, what we are going to do now, this is the relay terminal, so we'll solder like this. Okay, so we are going to solder in this way here. So then we will be having the terminal like this. Okay, so we have these two terminals are for the coil. Okay, and then here the contact terminals, you will select according to your project which terminals you need. Accordingly you can fix this connector. Okay, so first I'm going to attach some solder here to the connector, so it will be easy to solder to relay terminal. Like this. Okay, and also to relay terminal as well. Like this. Okay, little bit. Then we'll catch the connector like this. I'll try to melt the solder so on both sides, so it will catch. Okay, like this. Okay, maybe more solder is required. Okay, yeah, now better. Okay, and same thing with the other terminal. Here is the other terminal. We'll do the same. Do the same. Put enough solder. Okay. It is hot. We'll try to bend this little pin. Will be better. So here, like, I have bent this pin, so it will go directly into the hole, and it will be stronger solder. Okay. Just check it. Just catching well. Yeah. So like this, see? And you can screw your wire and unscrew, remove your wire, remove the relay from your application very easily without needing of any solder. I will continue the others and I'll show you. So here for my application I need only one set. So this is the common terminal, and this is normally open, and this is normally closed. So what I need only the common and normally open. Depend upon your application, you can select the connectors, the terminals you need, and solder this electric connector to the terminal you need as per your application. Okay, so I'm going to use this pin and this pin only. It doesn't matter from this side or this side because both are same. I can use this side or this side. Put some solder. Okay. Then attach a lot of solder inside.